पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद आर्तभाग ब्राह्मण मंत्र नंबर 12 टीका पेज नंबर 722। प्राणा न उत्क्रामन्ति इति विशेषणम् आश्रित्य प्रश्नान्तरम् आदत्ते। For a Jivan Mukta, after knowledge, he continues to live in the body. Then, at the end of Prarabdha, tasya pranaha na utkramanti brahmaiva san brahmapyeti. This is how it will be said later in the same Upanishad. So, iti visheshanam ashritya. Now, based on this, there is a question. Prashnantaram adatte. मुक्तस्य किं प्राणा एव समवनीयन्त आहोस्वित् तत् प्रयोजकम अपि सर्वम। For a mukta, Jivan Mukta, only pranas they get dissolved completely, or ahosvit tat prayojakam api, the prayojakam also prayojakam api sarvam samavaniyante. Atha prana eva, somebody does the vikalpa, tika pakshadvaya api prayojanam kathayati. If you say only prana, not prayojakam, na tat prayojakam sarvam, then प्रयोजके विद्यमाने पुनः प्राणानां प्रसंगः। तो प्रयोजक अदर प्रयोजकस आर देयर, प्राणास आर गॉन, ओके, प्राणास हैव डिसॉल्व्ड, अगेन प्राण कैन कम बैक। व्हाई? बिकॉज अदर प्रयोजकस आर एग्जिस्टिंग। ठीक है। यद पुत्र क्षेत्रादि अभूत तदधुना नाम मात्र अवशेषम इति उक्ते नावशिष्टम किंचित इति यथा अवगम्यते तथा अत्रापि नाम मात्रम म्रियमाणम विद्वांसम न जहाति इति उक्ते न किंचित अवशिष्टम इति दृष्टिः स्यात् इति प्रत्युक्ति तात्पर्यम आह। So before that, let us see some more bhashya. अथ सर्वमेव काम कर्मादि, सर्वमेव काम कर्मादि, what is the kriyapada? What is the kriyapada? Samavaniyante. Kama karmadi sarvam, if everything is gone, because remember, pranas are gone, avidya kama karma are there, again prana will come. So, but if avidya kama karma, all of them are gone, kama karma adi, adi means avidya, tato moksha upapadyate, then there is moksha. Iti evam artha uttarah prashna. एवं अर्थ उत्तर प्रश्न, उत्तर और प्रश्न.
Later Prashna is good to ask.
Uttara means answer also. Uttara means next also. Next question. In mantra now. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यत्रायं पुरुषो म्रियते किमेनं न जहातीति नामेत्यनन्तं वै नामानन्ता विश्वे देवा अनन्तम् एव सतेन लोकं जयति. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच. Arthabhagas brought his attention. Yatrayam purusho mriyate. This purusha, when he dies, what does he not give up? Kim enam na jahati. Jahati. What is the sutra? Gumastha gapa jahati samhali. What does that sutra do? Jahati is there in this. Ikar adesha when there is yin. Iti pratyaya. Jehiyate. No. Hiyate jehi. He does not give up name. Means his name stays. Anantam vai namaha. Infinite are the names. Ananta Vishwadevaha. Vishwadeva is also infinite. Anantam eva sahatena lokam jayati. The one who does this upasana, he attains the world of Ananta. This part came earlier, right? Anantam vai manaha, Ananta Vishwadevaha, Anantam eva sahatena lokam jayati. That much part was there. It was manaha, here it is nama. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच अत्रायं पुरुषो म्रियते किमेनं न जहाति इति. This is the pratigga. आह इतरो. आह इतरा. इतरा कहा?
Yajnavalkya.
याज्ञवल्क्य. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच अत्रायं पुरुषो म्रियते. आह इतरा. इतरा कहा? याज्ञवल्क्य. नामेति सर्वं समवनीयत इत्यर्थः. नाम इति सर्वं. Everything goes. सीटिका. यद पुत्र क्षेत्रादि अभूत. Whatever पुत्र क्षेत्र he had. तदधुना नाम मात्र अवशेषम. Only name is there, everything is gone. न इति उक्ते न अवशिष्टम किंचित इति यथा अवगम्यते. Nothing else is remaining. यथा अवगम्यते तथा अत्रापि नाम मात्रम म्रियमाणम विद्वांसम न जहाति. This person who is dying, name will remain. इति उक्ते न किंचिद अवशिष्टम इति दृष्टिः स्यात्. So न किंचिद अवशिष्टम इति दृष्टिः स्यात्. 15 and 16 नंबर टिप्पणी. इति निश्चय भवतु इति प्रत्युक्ति तात्पर्यम् आह. सर्वं समवनीयत इति. नाम मात्रं तु न लीयते. आकृति संबंधात् नित्यं हि नाम. सर्वं means everything else will go, name will remain. See 10 number टिप्पणी. सर्वम एनम जहाति. नाम मात्रम तु न जहाति इत्यर्थः. everything gives him up. Name doesn't give him up. So if we have done good karmas, people will remember. If we have done bad karmas, people will remember. But we don't want to be remembered like that. Tika. यथा श्रुतम अर्थम आश्रित्य प्रत्युक्तिम व्याचष्टे नाम मात्रम तु इति. नाम मात्रम तु न लियते. Why? आकृति संबंधात नित्यम ही नाम. What is आकृति संबंध? See in टिप्पणी, only this much portion we need to know. Jati, vyakti, आकृति. In न्याय these things are used. Jati, vyakti, आकृति. Sometimes I mentioned this, right, in Muktavali class.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, I did. In Nyaya Muktavali we have discussed. Jati, Vyakti, Akriti. Akriti is also indicative of Jati. That's why 12 number Tippani says Akriti hi Jati hi. And 11 number Tippani says Namno Jatya Akritya Saha Vachakata Sansargat Tasya Nityattvena Tasyapi Nityatvam iti bhava. Jati is Nitya and Nama is associated with Jati, which is Akriti, and therefore it will become Nitya. This is how Bhashyakara has given Akriti Sambandhat Nityam hi Nama. Why Nama is Nitya?
Akriti Sambandha.
No, that is given there. Why Nama is Nitya? Because it has, because
Jati.
Jati is Nitya. And Jati has Akriti Sambandha. टीका. विदुषो नाम नित्यत्वे हेत्वन्तरम उत्तर वाक्यावष्टम्भेन दर्शयति. विदुषः नाम नित्यत्वे, when Jnani's name is there, हेत्वन्तरम उत्तर वाक्यावष्टम्भेन दर्शयति. In that another hetu he also gives with the support of उत्तर वाक्य अवष्टम्भेन. नित्यम ही नाम. नित्यम ही. अनंत शब्दात नामनो अनंतम वही नाम, and नाम is ananta. Ananta does not mean eternal always. Ananta can mean eternal, but ananta also can mean many. Sankhya vachak, when it is sankhya vachak, that also can be many. For example, how many drops of water are there in Gangaji? Ananta. But it does not mean they are eternal. How many rocks are there in Gangaji? Eternal. They are not eternal. Ananta. But Ananta there means many. It is Sankhya. Sankhya is many. Tika. अनंत शब्दात नामनो व्यक्ति प्राचुर्य प्रतिभाति कुतो नित्यता इति आशंक्य. He says अनंत शब्द is indicating व्यक्ति प्राचुर्य. व्यक्ति प्राचुर्य, so many व्यक्तिज are there. अनेकत्वे बहुत्वे. Why do you say it is nitya? Say नित्यत्वम एव in भाष्य. Anantyam namnah. For name, it is not infinite, but it is eternal. Means name will remain for long. For Jnani, if I understand Jnani is Brahma, then his name is going to be there forever. If somebody thinks, no, Jnani means my Mahatma, so and so, or my Jivan Mukta Purusha, whoever, he need not be sannyasi. Then that name is not going to be there for eternally. Some group of people will know for 1 or 2 generations, 3 generations. If Jnani understands I am Brahma, Jnani has taught enough to the disciples. Jnani means Brahma. Jnani means not a Vyakti Vishesha. Then the name will remain eternal, because they say he is Brahma and Brahma is eternal. टीका व्यक्ति भेदस्य प्रसिद्धत्वात् न तद्वक्तव्यं ब्रह्मविदः स्वदृष्ट्या नामापि न शिष्यते परदृष्ट्या तद अवशेषोक्तिः शुको मुक्तः इत्यादि व्यपदेश व्यक्ति भेदस्य व्यक्ति भेद इज देयर दर्शनात् अतो नाम नित्यत्वं व्यावहारिकम इति भाव नाम नित्यत्व हियर यू टेक इट एज व्यावहारिक टीकाकार से व्यक्ति भेद से प्रसिद्धत्वाद व्यक्ति भेद इज वेरी वेल नोन न तद वक्तव्यम ब्रह्मविदः सी हियर ब्रह्मविदः स्वदृष्ट्या नाम अपि न शिष्यते परदृष्ट्या तद अवशेषो व्यक्ति भेद they are there. Therefore, swadrishtya tadvaktavyam means shastrena, na shastrena tadvaktavyam. Vyakti bheda is already prasiddha. Therefore, Shastra doesn't have to talk about Vyakti bheda. So, what is Shastra trying to say? It is not saying Ananta as Vyakti bheda, it is saying Ananta as eternal. Now you see what I just mentioned about Acharya. He said, Brahmavidah swadrishtya nama api na shishyate. He is a Brahmagnani. From his standpoint, that nama is also not remaining, because he is not interested in that name. That name is associated with that form. He says, I am not this form, so how am I that name? So na shishyate. Paradrishtya tad avasheshokti. From other standpoint, yes, his name and his, they will have Bhandara in Mahatma's name, and so many people will come, and their Bhagat log will also come, Bhaktas. Wonderful. They will express their gratitude because they learned, they got inspired. If they were not on the path, they came on the path. If they were already on the path, they will get liberation. Tad avasheshokti. Shuko muktaha ityadi vyapade. Shukadev ji, he gives drishtanta. Shuko muktaha ityadi vyapadesha darshanat. So now also we remember the name of Shuka. Ato nama nityatvam vyavaharikam iti bhava. ब्रह्मास्मीति दर्शनेन विश्वान् देवान् आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य अनंतं लोकं जयति इति सिद्धानुवादो ब्रह्मविद्यां स्तोतुम् इति अभिप्रेत्य अनन्तरवाक्यम् आदत्ते ब्रह्मास्मीति दर्शनेन how does he attain jnanam? Through aham brahmasmi jnanam. Vishwan devan atmatvena upagamya. Then he has attained everything. Brahmavid apnoti param. He has become all, and therefore Vishwan devan atmatvena upagamya. He understands all the devatas, they are also my swarupa only. Anantam lokam jayati. Anantam means देशादि अपरिच्छिन्नम, he becomes अपरिच्छिन्न जयति इति सिद्धानुवादो ब्रह्म विद्याम स्तोतुम. This सिद्धानुवाद is actually for Brahma Vidya Stuti. Brahma Vidyam Stotum iti abhipretya anantar vakyam adatte tadanantyaya kalpata iti. So this portion is clear, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
He doesn't reach some loka called Ananta Loka. He understands I am Brahma, therefore everything is me, and therefore attaining Brahma or being Brahma, which is beyond all the Desha Paricheda. That is the meaning. Bhashya Tadanantya Adhikrita Ananda Vai Vishwe Deva Anantam Eva Satena Lokam Jayati. Anantya Adhikrita. Now he has Adhikara for infinitude. Anantya Adhikrita. Ananta Vai Vishwe Deva. All the Vishwe Devas are Ananta, so he becomes one with all. Anantam Eva Satena Lokam Jayati. Here Lok means no Loka Prapti. I am Brahma in this way. Tika Tad Vyachaste. He explains further. Adhikritan Vishwan Devan Atmatvena Upetya Tena Anantya Darshanena Anantameva Lokam Jayati. Tannama Anantya Adhikritan. Tannaman Anantya Adhikritan. So based on that name, Anantya is attained, Anantya Adhikritan, Vishwan Devan, Atmatvena Upetya. He just understands they are also me. Lokam Jayati. With this, 12th mantra is over. Further tika, yatra asya ityades tatparyam vrittanuvada purvakam kathayati. So yatra asya is the next question. See the mantra. Yajnavalkya Keti hovacha yatrasya purushasya mudasya Shuratyam Manashchandram Dishaha Shrotram Prithivim Shariram Akasham Atma Aushadir Mani Vanaspatin Kesha Apsulohitam Cha Retascha Nidiyate Tvam Tada Purusho Bhavati Ityahara Somya Astamartha Bhaga Avam Eva Etasya Vedishyavo Na Vetat Sajana Iti Tau Hotkrambya Mantrayan Chakrate Tau Hayadujatuhu Karma Haiva Tadujatuhu Atha Yat Prashasan Satuhu Karma Haiva Tat Prashasan Satuhu Punyo Vai Punyena Karmana Bhavati Papa Papena Iti Tato Hajarat Karava Artha Bhaga Upara Rama. So this is a famous quotation. Punyo vai punyena karmana bhavati papa papena. And jaratkara artha bhaga upara rama. See, what is the question he asked? He said, yatra asya purushasya, this purusha who died, mritasya, agnim vagapyeti. Agnim vagapyeti. What goes in what? So what is the karta?
Vag goes
Vag
to
goes in Agni.
Vag is
goes to
karma.
Agni.
Agni is karma. Vag agnim apyeti. Next, Vatam Pranaha. What is the karta? Prana. Pranaha Vatam
Apyet.
Apyati. Chakshuhu Adityam.
Aditya is karta. Aditya is karta.
Chakshu. No, here Chakshu is karta. This is why I asked. He changes the order. Earlier he said Agnim Vak, Vatam Pranaha. Now he says Chakshu Aditya. So Aditya doesn't go in Chakshu. Chakshu goes in Aditya. Chakshu Adityam Apyeti. Manas Chandram means Mana goes to Chandrama. Everything goes to its Devata. Dishaha Shrotram. Dishaha Shrotram means Shrotrendriya goes to Dik Devata. Prithivim Shariram. Now here you see both are Prithivim Shariram. What goes to what?
Sharira goes to Prithvi.
Prithvi. Sharira merges in Prithvi. Oh. So that is Shrotra is Napunsaklinga. And Disha is also Napunsaklinga. Or Strilinga. But the Dishaha, Prathama, Dvitiya, both will be same. Dik Dishav Dishaha, Disham Dishav Dishaha. Prithvi Shariram. Up to that is okay. Then Akasham Atma. So here Akasham means Bhutakasha, Atma means Hridayakasha. So Hridayakasha enters in Bhutakasha. Because now it is not separately existing. Oshadhir Lomani. So Akasham means you should take Hridayakasham. Atma means you should take Bhutakasha. That is how it is given. Or is better way is Hridayakasha should refer to Atma, meaning wise. So Atma merges in Akasha. Akasha is Bhutakasha. That way we can take. Hridayakasha goes to Bhutakasha. Oshadhir Lomani. Vanaspatin Kesha. Loma becomes Oshadhi. Kesha becomes Vanaspati. Apsu Lohitam cha Retascha Nidhiyate. In the water, Lohita means the blood as well as Reta. Everything goes to Jala. Nidhiyate. Okay. All this is said. Who is asking all this? Arthabhaga. This is all him saying. Yajnavalkya has not started saying it. Then, tada kva ayam tada purusho bhavati. Then, where does this purusha go? Where is he staying at that time? Yajnavalkya said, give me your hand. Ahara somya hastam. Arthabhaga. Hey Arthabhaga, somya hastam ahara. Give me your hand. Then, avam eva etasya vedishyavaha. Only we two will discuss this. Only we both will know the answer. Means I know, I will tell only you. Na now etat sajana iti. This assembly which has people, they will not know. But they are not ready for this answer. This question is not appropriate for this assembly. Many times it happens, some general people are there, they all have laukika prashna. and some Vidwan is there sitting. He will ask a really good question. There is no point in discussing in front of all those people who will, they will hear everything, then they will ask 500 questions. What is this? What is that? Because they are all aparipakwa people. So best is you talk to this person separately and avoid this one answer and other 500 questions. So this is also a sign of wisdom, that you should tell something to only that person who is mature enough, adhikari for that jnana. I had gone for one talk. In front of that, or you can see, right? I had taken some other Swami also with me. So in the audience, there are all these Veda Pathshala students. They are all studying. Some people might know some Bhagavad Gita. We had gone to Kali Kamliwala Kshetra for satsang over there. So I asked that Mahatma to speak. He spoke on Brahma Sutra, some Adhikarana, in front of all those people who had no clue and no interest in knowing what is all this. And he talked about whether Devata Dev Adhikara or not. Devata Adhikarana is there, famous in Brahma Sutra. On that he talked for 5-7 minutes. So there's no relevance. For that age group, there were 250 plus, all of majority in that age group of 16 to 20, let us say, 22. They have to know how to do Indriya Nigraha, Shama, Dhamma, that is what they have to know. What is life? They don't need to know whether Devata Dev Adhikara in karma or not. So they said, let us go in one room and discuss. This audience doesn't need to know. Tauha utkramya mantrayan chakrate. They both went and they did mantrana in that room. Tauha yad uchatuhu. Now what they discussed, nobody knows. Okay. But they both came back, probably smiling, and Jaratkara said, yes, he can keep the cows and the gold. So they might have done some discussion. Tauha yad uchatuhu. Karma eva tad uchatuhu. Whatever they discussed, they talked about karma. The Shruti says, Atha yad prashasansatuhu karma eva tad prashasansatuhu. Whatever they praised, it is the praise of karma alone. Punya vai punya. So if you have lot of punya karma, you will attain the lok of punya. You will go to higher worlds. If you have papa, you will go to lower worlds. Lower world doesn't mean, see, within this earth also, within this Prithvi, so much variety is there. There are people who are in the lower plane of thinking, and there are people who are evolved. Tatoha Jaratka. Arthabhaga Upadanama. Tika. Grahat. So Vruttanuvad Purvakam Kathayati. Yatra Asya Ityadehe Tatparyam he mentions first. Grahati Graha Rupam Bandhanam Uktam. Mrityu Rupam Tasya cha Mrityuhu Sadbhavan Mokshasya Upapadyate. Grahati Graha Rupam Bandhanam Uktam. This is Bandhana. Mrityu Rupam Tasya cha, and that is Mrityu. Bandhanam Mrityu Rupam Uktam. Tasya cha Mrityu ho, this Mrityu which is the Bandhanam. Mrityu Sadbhavat. mrityu also will have mrityu sadbhavat mokshasya upapadyate. So mukti is possible. Such a moksho grahati graha rupanam ihaiva pralayah pradeepa nirvanavat. This moksha is grahati graha rupanam ihaiva pralaya. Here itself they all will be dissolved. And it is like pradeepa nirvana. टीका किम एनम वाक्यस्य स्वव्याख्याम उक्त्वा यत्र इत्यादि तात्पर्यं च उक्तम. So the earlier vakya said kim enam jahati was said earlier. Kim enam jahati, kim enam na jahati. So in that, what is the meaning intended by the Acharya that he gives? Swavyakhyam uktva. Now yatra ityadehe tatparyam cha uktam. And this tatparya is saying, one more line is there in Bhashya. Yad grahati grahakhyam bandhanam mrityu rupam tasya tat yat prayojakam tat swarupa nirdharanartham idam arabhyate. This grahati graha bandhanam mrityu rupam, what is its prayojakam? Grahati graha rupam, grahati grahakhyam bandhanam, which is mrityu rupam. What is its prayojakam? Tasya yat prayojakam tat swarupa nirdharanartham. What is the swarupa nirdharanam of that? For that there is a discussion. So tatparya is indicated. Now Yajnavalkyati hovacha. So mantra we have seen. Tika idanim bhartru prapancha prasthanam utthapayati. So now bhartru prapancha prasthanam. Bhartru prapancha matam, how he views this portion. Utthapayati. So now there is going to be long discussion on this. भाष्य अत्र केचिद् वर्णयन्ति ग्रहाति ग्रहस्य सप्रयोजकस्य विनाशे अपि किल न मुच्यते. What do they say? Grahati grahasya saprayojakasya. Grahati graha means all this bandhana, whatever it is, along with the prayojaka, avidya, kama, karma, whatever it is. All of them are destroyed. Yes. Na muchyate. But he will not get moksha. So these are this Mandana Mata and Bhaskaracharya Mata. Many of them, they follow this kind of thinking. That avidya is gone. Moksha is not there yet. Like how people say, I know I am Brahman, but I am not liberated yet. I know I am Brahman. This is that matam in a different way. So saprayojakasya vinashe api kila na muchyate. Tika kim enam ityadau iti yavat samuchaya anushthanat dehayoho saprayojakayor nashe api pumso muktir na chet. Samuchaya anusthana, when there is samuchaya anusthana, karma upasana samuchaya, dehayoho saprayojakayoho nashe api. Deha and all the prayojaka, they are all gone. Nashe api. Pumso mukti na chet, tarhi tasya baddhatva ayogat काम असौ दशाम अवलंबताम इति आशंक्या. Deha is not remaining. Kama karmas are not there. Means avidya is not there. Then he is not baddhatva ayogat kam dasham asau avalambatam. Which dasha avalambanam he will have? Means where will he be then? Where will he end up? Avidya, kama, karma, if they are there, he will get another body. They are not there. mukti has not attained. Means somewhere in between he is there. So they say in Bhashya, see, नाम अवशिष्टो अविद्यया उषर स्थानीयया स्वात्म प्रभवया परमात्मनः परिच्छिन्नो ओज्याच्च जगतो व्यावृत्त उच्छिन्न काम कर्मांतराले व्यवतिष्ठते. He is hanging in between, where नाम अवशिष्ट, name is remaining. Avidyaya ushara sthaniya. Avidya is ushara sthaniya. Ushara sthana because it is something which is not going to give any further janma for him. Ushar means desert. Will not bring out anything new out of it. Swatma prabhavaya paramatmanaha parichinna. But he is still different from Paramatma. Paramatma who is Swayam Prakasha. Swatma Prabhavaya Avidyaya Atma Utpannaya. So, Avidya which is arising from Atma. Atma which is Swayam Prakasha. From that, Avidya which arises, with that he is Parichinna. Because of which it is Parichinna. So he has not become one with Paramatma yet. But he is different from the world. Bhojyacha Jagataha Vyavritta. Separated from the world. Not become one with Brahma. Avidya in the form of something which is not going to give new janma. And Uchinna Kama Karma Antarale Vyavatishtate. There where Kama Karmas are gone. Antarale Vyavatishtha is in between somewhere. So let's leave him there for now. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्र भाष्य कृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.